America is facing extraordinary times that rival some of the greatest challenges in our nation's history. The coronavirus pandemic changed our world overnight, the greatest economic and health challenge in generations. Throughout the course of history in America and here at home in Illinois, manufacturers have answered our nation's call every single time. Abraham Lincoln once said, "I will prepare, and someday my chance will come." This is our chance. This is our moment in time. Today, innovative manufacturers are creating life-saving products and medicines, working day and night to find a groundbreaking vaccine or therapy, feeding the world, and making sure that our food supply chain remains strong and safe. Making equipment for our doctors, nurses, first responders, and other heroes on the front line. Ramping up production, utilizing surge capacity, and retooling factories to meet this challenge head-on. All the while, keeping their employees, customers, and communities safe. Ordinary people doing extraordinary things. Manufacturers are protecting lives and livelihoods. All across Illinois and our nation, manufacturers are rising up, solving problems, and showing the American spirit. Working hand in hand with doctors, nurses, first responders, farmers, truck drivers, retail clerks, and others on the front lines to keep America running. The 592,000 women and men working on factory floors today are the dreamers and doers who are making a real difference in our world. We appreciate you. We thank you.